Welcome to Scott General Phone Shop. I'm Scott.
I'm Kira. I'm Lisa.
Alright, and today we have an unboxing video. I've been wanting one of these saws. I've just seen Keith Rucker get one. Adam Booth has gotten one. And so I thought, well, you know what? It's time for me to have one. So I got one. This is the Evolution saw. And it's one of those slow RPM cuts anything saws. Cuts metal and everything else. So,
Okay, so we have the manual.
yep.
Catalog here.
Alright, so let's just get this out right now. It actually comes with spare brushes, which I thought was pretty neat. I like when they do that. I hope they're spare, not the ones that are actually supposed to be in there.
Alright, it's all you.
Alright. Let's move y'all down here. I'll set you up right here. There you go.
That was scary.
Hey, finish one thing, then move on to the next. Raise it up. Push it under it. Alright, now let me get over and help you.
Yeah, we can move on to that.
Well, I'm trying to figure out why the saw is twisted. Thank you. Yeah, it looks like the whole damn thing is leaning over sideways. Damn. Alright, let's do this in the same way we did the other one. Round behind the saw. Come on. Pain in the butt. Just the end.
And then drop it down here.
Yeah.
Okay. They won't go down anymore. That's it. Let me know when you want me to plug it up.
Well, I wonder if it's sitting on something.
One thing you're not. There you go.
Yeah, but the whole thing looks like it needs to.
What? Oh, it is.
Yeah, the damn base is twisted.
Oh.
Hold on. Let's see if I can figure out what's going on here. Yeah, it's a cheap saw. It's the stamped steel deck. And it's not let's put it back.
I wonder what this is for.
Wait a minute. Let's put this under here.
There you go.
Alright. steel deck too. Alright, let's cut a piece of metal.
Oh, I got a piece of metal. Okay.
I have a piece of metal. Safety glasses. I see I'm going to have to brace that up. Alright. Let's see how she does.
Okay, I'm ready.
Put my face shield down. Oh boy, that was nice.
How to cut? You good?
I just said, what do you think? Oh boy, that was nice, man. Yeah, nice means okay. Nice means great. Watching this flex. Alright, let's see here. Let's put this in. Now we'll stick this. Well, that might work. Maybe too small. Oh, wait a minute, I might need that. I might need that. Here, oh. Well, here's some plate. We'll cut the plate off. I'll cut my little handle off. I just wanted to cut something a little more substantial. Nope, you may have the orange cord. It's only 6 feet long though.
I know, I've already got the long one and it's tight. So
I have a 100-foot cord. Well, what about a big 100-foot cord? Anyway, back to what I was doing. We gotta move you over just a little bit. You're gonna hit the blade. I mean, hit the motor. It's actually cutting pretty square. Oh, a little bit off, but I don't know. I think, yeah, I had it up in the air. I didn't have it all the way on the bottom. So there you go. Very little to clean up. That's it. The saw is a little wobbly, but I believe this will set down in time and relax. Yep. Alright. I'll finish setting up the saw and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Tell them bye, Tara.
bye bye.
Bye, everybody.